मैंगो सिर्फ फल नहीं है जस्ट टू एंजॉय. मैंगो इज ग्रेट टू कुक विथ. आई मीन आप देखते हो, हियर आई हैव अ curry which is like a unripe mango, and here I have like almost an overripe mango. I'm going to be making a fantastic jumbo prawn and mango curry. Let's start cooking. तो उसके लिए I'm going to be making something really nice, a really cool spice, for which I'm going to be using about a tablespoon or so of coriander seeds and a teaspoon of peppercorns, a teaspoon of sauce, I love sauce, and 2 or 3 dried chilies. Okay, so this we're going to give a very nice, I might add for my other flavor and aroma, I'm adding a piece of cinnamon as well. Okay, तो ये spices को हम थोड़ा सा सेकेंगे. I'm going to take एक प्याज, just kind of slice it. Then I have some ginger, I have some garlic, and I have some chilies. And this time I'm using some coconut milk, which I think is a fantastic, a winner combination with prawns and mango. So I can see the whole toasting happening here. It's getting a lovely aroma, the spices. Excellent. तो ये जो है आज spices they have oils. The natural oils they come out जब भी आप उसको रोस्ट करते हो. Okay, so that's the reason why freshly toasted or roasted spices are always preferred in recipes. At least in my recipes. तो now you can see this. आपका जो धनिया है अच्छी तरह सेका हुआ है. It's got a very nice darkish brown coming there. So dark coriander roast. Okay, beautiful combination. Fantastic हो. अभी हम इसको switch this off, and you can use a mortar and pestle if you wish. You know, I'm using a little a coffee cum spice grinder here, which I love to do. को हम हल्का सा cool down कर देते हैं, and then we're going to be adding it here, and perfect. Oh yeah. Whoa! Just amazing. So I'm going to be adding some of this lovely aromatic spice here. Beautiful. अभी हम इसमें थोड़ी सी हल्दी, थोड़ी सी नमक, और हमारा स्पाइस रेडी हो गया. तो ये जो स्पाइस है अभी हम इसे अच्छी तरह मिक्स कर देते हैं. एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली फॉर माई जम्बो प्रॉन्स. सो लिटरली वी गोना बी गिविंग दिस रियली ब्यूटिफुल स्पाइस ट्रीटमेंट, ओके, टू आवर प्रॉन्स. Beautiful. Nice. So we have our prawns here, juice of half a lemon, and our spice crusted prawn is ready. Prawns ready, sliced onions are ready. We have a little bit of garlic which we'll smash. A bit of ginger. So we have some ginger and garlic which we're chopping up together. A little bit of rice bran oil in here. Nice, lovely. I'm adding a little bit of jeera right here, along with a little bit of ginger and garlic. Oh yes. Next, some onions. We're going to be sauteing this a little bit. And next we're going to be adding our lovely tomatoes here. I have some orange cherry tomatoes, but you can use any kind of tomatoes which you get. As I said, जो भी मुझे मिलता है, I love to try to experiment, क्योंकि आजकल इंडिया में, आपकी cities में, online, you can get almost everything, okay? And for me, I love to support farmers. I love to experiment with new things. Next, we're going to be adding our prawns in here. Beautiful. Now we have next is our lovely overripe mango. Okay, which I'm just going to be spooning in here. Lovely. Just going to mash this mango here. So just going to be mashing the mango with the back of my spoon, the overripe mango right here, and along with this you're going to be adding a little bit of coconut milk. Beautiful. A little bit of seasoning, so a little bit of salt, a little bit of lemon juice. Beautiful. And then we have some raw mango, which I'm going to be adding on top of my curry. Beautiful. So we have our mangoes ready for the top. We have our mangoes in. We have some fresh coriander, and our prawn curry with mango is ready. So what I'm actually doing is I'm just mashing this with the back of my spoon. You can even actually liquefy it a little bit. You can even blend it. But I like this a little chunky because you can eat it with some bread, you can eat with salad, you can also eat it with rice, okay? Beautiful. And then we have, so here we garnishing with thoda sa dhania, small dhania sprigs, and then a little sprinkle of my special masala. Here we go, guys, here we go. Prawn and mango curry, ready!